Hello my friends, late Boy Scout here, and I found myself on the banks of the Columbia River. Where you are is Oregon. Over there is Washington. I'm in Portland! Portland, Oregon. You could also call it Knife Mecca, and I have made the pilgrimage to connect with some of the biggest names in the knife industry. Leatherman retail store. Hey guys, this is Late Boy Scout. I'll take you on a tour of their only store in the whole wide world.
Do you give away a rebar on your show? You call it?
It is a big beefy folder, but people love that. People love to carry a big hardy knife. This really is a special piece, and I'm going to give this to you too to give away.
Oh man, sweet.
Allows the user to go online and pick out different scales and pick their blade steels and their handle colors.
Thanks so much, Matt, for hosting me. Now you mentioned something about some Benchmade goodies, perhaps. Absolutely.
Will the TSA strip me of my Leatherman style? P.S. Painfully early in the morning, as I prepare to leave my Portland, Oregon area hotel, I got to visit Leatherman. I got to visit CRKT, and I got to visit Benchmade. And I had great visits at all those three places. Keep watching for future videos with some of those visits and also some giveaways. Yeah, these guys are pretty stoked to connect with you guys and give you some free stuff. Late Boy Scout giving you a quick intro to my Knife Mecca visit. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.